Hey! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this smartphone using Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now you need to just connect the devices and tap on Pair New Device. Following that, wait for available ones to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to wait for the pop-up and select Pair in order to continue. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by selecting this gear icon next to the device, tapping on Forget, and confirming your choice in this pop-up by choosing Forget the Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!